Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is in a state of unrest. People from all walks of life took to the streets of capital Muzaffarabad protesting against the increasing interference of Pakistan's main spy agency, the ISI. A large number of undercover operatives are engaged in stifling the Kashmiris' growing demand for freedom from the Pakistani yoke. In addition, the presence of large contingents of Pakistani army and paramilitary forces have made the region one of the most militarized zones. After 60 years of denial, Kashmiris have now realized that the promised land was never theirs in the first place. Instead, the strategic region is used mainly as training camps for terror organizations like Lashkar-e-Taiba and Hizbul Mujahideen, who foment trouble in India's northern state of Jammu and Kashmir. Islamabad has been promoting anti-India groups in the Himalayan region since the late 1970s to further its foreign policy objectives. Local leaders addressing a gathering organized by Jammu and Kashmir National Liberation Conference said it is futile to fight Pakistan's proxy war against India.
हमने ये कहा था कि 90 में जब गन कश्मीर में गई हमने उसकी मुखालफत की थी और कहा जब तक गन आपके अपने कंट्रोल में ना हो जब ISI की गन से आप आज़ादी की तारीख नहीं लड़ सकते। कुछ लोगों ने शोर किया, ये किया, वो किया, लेकिन आखिर सब इस चिंतने पर पहुंच गए कि किसी ISI की गन से आप जब तक आपके अगर आप गन उठाने को ये गलत नहीं कहते, अगर आप गन उठाए इंसाफ के लिए, लेकिन तब उठाएं जब गन आपके कंट्रोल में हो, ISI के किसी हवलदार के कंट्रोल में नहीं हो।
Over the years, Islamabad has snuffed out the raging discontent by brute force. It has so far managed to conceal this by throwing a veil of secrecy over this remote Himalayan region. Its nascent media has been constantly harassed and muzzled by Pakistani security apparatus. Kashmiris do not have any say in the governance, but have also been denied even basic amenities and rights in their homeland. The natural resources of the region are mercilessly plundered to keep the occupied region impoverished, say local leaders.
होता ये रहा दुनिया में कि एक स्टेट का एक टेरिटरी का जो मुस्तकबिल है वो दिन ब दिन बेहतरी की तरफ जाता है। ये वाहिद एक बदकिस्मत हमारी रियासत और वाहिद बदकिस्मत हमारी कौम है जम्मू कश्मीर की कि हमारी हैसियत और हमारा स्टेटस और हमारा फ्यूचर जो है ये इसका डाउनफॉल रहा है। यानी एक बेहतर पोजीशन से जो है हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो है एक अबतर पोजीशन की तरफ जो है वो गामजन रहे हैं। हालत ये है कि हर आने वाला नया दिन जो है हमारे ऊपर जो है एक नई गुलामी, एक नए जो है वो कम्युनलिज्म को जो है उसको हमें शिकार कर दिया जाता है।
Even though Pakistan champions the cause of Kashmir at international forums, it does not translate this into action on the ground. Kashmiris who are trying to rebuild their lives after the devastating earthquake of 2005 were again struck by a massive deluge 5 years later. While billions poured in as aid to Pakistan after the monsoon floods in August 2010, very little has been sent to POK. This has left the field wide open for the charities promoted by terror outfits like the Lashkar-e-Taiba, who utilize these outings to earn goodwill among locals and recruit foot soldiers for their jihad.